This is what happens to your lungs and air when you inhale essential oils. Essential oils can be used for all sorts of things. They can treat health issues, relieve stress, and promote better sleep. What's not to love about essential oils? Essential oils have been used for over 5,000 years. All kinds of different cultures have benefited from these amazing oils. They are used for beauty, health, mood, and emotional health. They are derived from natural ingredients, and are the purest form of their healing compounds. Breathing in a breath full of essential oils can make you feel better all over. You can buy highly recommended essential oils on Amazon. Link in the description box. They are usually extracted from flowers, fruits, leaves, seeds, or roots of a plant. They are created through a process of distillation, separating the oil and water compounds of a plant by steaming. The oils derived from these plants are extremely beneficial in each of their own ways. Essential oils can even cross the blood-brain barrier. They are smaller molecules, unlike those of fatty acids, which allows them to penetrate the cell completely. 1. They promote sleep and relaxation. This is one of the most known benefits of essential oils. The soothing oils can make you sleep better, more sound, and get more rest. 2. They lift the mood. Essential oils are perfect for lifting the mood. They can relieve the tension of a long and stressful day, or they can set the mood just right for a romantic night. They have even been proved to help people struggling with sadness, anxiety, and depression. 3. Increase immune health. Essential oils are fantastic for getting rid of cold and flu symptoms. Many essential oils have strong antimicrobial properties which can increase your immune system health. 4. How to use essential oils. You can purchase an essential oils diffuser, but you don't necessarily have to. You can even soak a cotton ball in the essential oils and place them over your home air vents. The diffusers that use water or cold air work the most effectively. You can buy highly recommended essential oils on Amazon. Link in the description box. We really hope you find this video helpful, and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.